Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rocky Preview. Today we will discuss that how to prepare for JEE exam. Let's start the video. As we know that the Indian Institutes of Technology Joint Entrance Examination IIT JEE was an annual engineering college entrance examination in India. It was used as the sole admission test by the 15th Indian Institutes of Technology Indian Schools of Mines, also known as ISM Dhanbad and IIT BHU. The examination was organized each year by one of the various IITs using a round robin rotation pattern. It had a very low admission rate, about 10,000 in 5 lakh in 2011. Now it was totally replaced by the two-phase joint entrance examination. We will see in next. In Joint Entrance Examination JEE is an all-Indian common entrance examination which is conducted for admission in various engineering courses. JEE. Joint Entrance Examination is being conducted in two parts, JEE Main and JEE Advanced. JEE Advanced is for admission of all institutes of technology and the Indian Schools of Mines, Dhanbad, and JEE Mains exam is to admission of IITs, Indian Institutes of Information Technology, National Institute of Technology, CFTLS, Central Funded Technical Institute, etc. But as IITs and ISM are the most premier and prestigious engineering college in India, the candidates have to clear the second level of exam JEE Advanced for securing admission in them. Only top candidates of JEE Mains are eligible to appear for JEE Advanced exam. The candidates who clear JEE Advanced exam have the opportunity to join either of the IITs or ISM. The candidates who clear JEE Mains but are not eligible for JEE Advanced can seek admission in other engineering colleges like Indian Institutes of Information Technology or National Institute of Technology, are followed by other government and private engineering colleges. Now we will discuss about JEE Main. JEE Main exam has two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Candidates may optional for either or both of them. Both papers contain multiple choice questions. Paper 1 is for admission in BA and BTech, online and offline both. But in paper 2, BA, ARCH and B planning, you can give offline only. Now we will discuss about JEE Advanced. Students who qualify JEE Mains and are among top 20 percentile in their class 12th board examination can appear for JEE Advanced examination. Approximately 1,50,000 students qualify to appear for JEE Advanced examination. Students who obtain all Indian ranks and wish to study architecture or design need to appear for an architecture aptitude test and qualify. After JEE Main and JEE Advanced, JEE Main Counseling. CBSE and CSAB are two different and independent boards. CBSE conducts JEE Main examination and publishes the merit list. CSAB only uses the merit list published by CBSE for seat allocation purpose. In previous years, the admission process was conducted through CCB, Central Counseling Board, while this year CCB has been renamed as CSAB, Central Seat Allocation Board, for completing the seat allocation process. I hope you like the video, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you want to get any other information about any topic, so please comment me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks for watching my channel Rocky Preview.